First time homebuyer advice, tip 3. Okay, so credit, let's talk about it. If you're thinking you want to buy a house in 6 months to a year, don't buy a car right now. Don't get new credit cards. I see it throw findings all the time. Now, just because you're like, oh my God, Jen, I did it last month. Am I host? Not necessarily, but here's the thing. If you're planning to buy a house and you know you're going to be buying 6 months plus out, just know like, okay, now is the time to be as conservative as possible with my credit. Do not open up anything new. Do not close accounts, right? Do not max out your credit cards. Try to keep your balances 30% below the limit. So if your limit is $1,000, try to keep what you spend under $300. And whenever you can, pay it off monthly. The best habit that you guys can get into for the rest of your life is never buying what you can't afford. I know it's no fun, but that's the thing. You want to be in a position where ultimately you're paying off your credit cards every single month. You don't want to be carrying debt. That is your long-term, credit card goal. But in the meantime, because look, it takes time. Like it took me until my late 30s to figure that one out. But in the meantime, what you guys want to do is you just want to be as conservative as possible with your credit if you're thinking of buying a house.